Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a guide to building the ultimate $2,500 gaming PC, a rig designed to crush 4K gaming and future-proof your setup. Whether you're building your dream machine or just exploring options, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. So what goes into a $2,500 gaming powerhouse? Let's break it down. For the CPU, we've chosen the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, the perfect processor for gaming performance. Paired with the RTX 5070 Ti GPU, you're getting top-notch visuals and smooth gameplay. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 6000 RAM, you'll never have to worry about lag. Add in a speedy 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD for your game library and a Corsair 3500X case with a 360mm liquid cooler to keep everything running cool and quiet. And finally, powering it all is a 750-watt gold-rated PSU. These components are designed to work seamlessly together for the ultimate gaming experience. When assembling this PC, there are a few key steps to keep in mind. Start with the motherboard. Install the CPU and RAM, then slot in your storage. Mount the motherboard in the case, connect the PSU, and finish by installing the GPU. Proper cable management is essential, not just for aesthetics, but for airflow, too. Don't forget to check compatibility when buying your parts. Once your PC is assembled, you'll want to set it up for peak performance. Install your operating system, download drivers for your GPU and motherboard, and fine-tune settings to maximize your gaming experience. From overclocking your GPU to customizing RGB lighting, you can make this build uniquely yours. For $2,500, this build hits the sweet spot between performance and price. It's designed for hardcore gaming, streaming, and even content creation. Whether you're into competitive esports or immersive AAA titles, this rig has you covered. And there you have it, your ultimate $2,500 gaming PC guide. I hope this helps you plan your build and gives you the confidence to take the plunge into PC gaming. If you enjoyed this guide or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.